Replication, meaning of replication is which one? Duplication, right? Replica, mirror image form karna, exact copy. Parental DNA that is to be transformed into two daughter DNA, but same like a which one? Parental DNA. The sequence should be what? Same, right? Parental DNA meaning don't consider the parent's DNA to us. Parental DNA meaning which one? The cell which undergoing cell division. Clear? Understood this thing? Now, so for replication, the first thing is there, that is which one? The 2.2 meter long DNA, right? So this long DNA, in that the particular sites are there, that site we call, कहाँ से वो open unwind होना start होगा, right? The certain region should be there. That region we call ORI, origin of replication. Which site? Origin of replication. See, linear है, right? 2.2 meter DNA है हमारा. So in that multiple site ORI is present. Understand here first. One, right? So multiple site. Right now over here in this 2 points, that's the ORI site is there. Meaning यहाँ से DNA क्या start होगा? Unwind होगा from this point. That thing happens for eukaryotes. Multiple ORI present. ORI full form? Origin of replication. So that present in case of eukaryotes. You know prokaryotes, single chromosome is there. Yes or no? And that is in a linear pattern or circular? तो एक पॉइंट से सर्कल है, एक पॉइंट से स्टार्ट करेंगे रेप्लिकेशन, कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. Yes or no? So in case of prokaryotes, single ORI site. In case of eukaryotes, multiple ORI sites are there. Right? That numbers can be vary from that DNA of one species to another species. Understood this? But first requirement is a which one? Origin of replication, ORI site. जहां पे ORI site है, from that point that unwinding process start, right? Double helical structure converts to the means that start open up. वहां पे helicase work करेगा, right? Would unwind होना ये सब जो है, ORI site over there, which one comes? Which enzyme? Helicase. And you know the role of helicase, that is hydrogen bond. So वहां से DNA क्या हो रहा है? Open. DNA क्या हो रहा है? Open, right? So once over here, first see that
represented by the letters A, C, G, and T. The two strands are complementary. This means that wherever there's a T in one strand,
here in that DNA, both the strands are there, and on one strand if purine is there, right? This is purine, here thymine is mentioned. So purine or pyrimidine? Pyrimidine. So other strand carry what? Purine, right? Understand, when if both are purines, right? Both are purines. So purines have double ring structure or single ring? Purines double ring. So अगर दोनों डबल रिंग वाले होंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? Stretch. That area increase. जो डिस्टेंस था ना बिटवीन दैट्स अ डबल स्ट्रैंड, दैट्स विथ हाउ मच 20, तो वो वहां पे डिफर हो जाता. समझ में आ रहा है? सो यहाँ पे लाइक डबल रिंग स्ट्रक्चर रहता है, यहाँ पे विच वन? सिंगल. सी हियर डबल रिंग सिंगल. दैट्स व्हाई प्यूरिन pyrimidine base, right? That pairs are that pairing process is needed so that the length of the DNA that should remain constant 20 angstrom. Clear? DNA replication, right? So in DNA replication, the first point is a which one? Origin of replication. Origin of replication on that side, that's a which enzyme first will come, that is helicase. Helicase will do what? Cut the hydrogen bond so that the DNA helix get separated, open up. Once that open up, that structure now we call it a replication fork. Clear? The structure we call what? Replication fork. Now on this replication fork, that two things are there. First, here, these are the parental strand. One strand, suppose here 5' to 3', and opposite 5' to 3' here, right? Next, so now tell me on this strand, right? This is the helicase. Here the helicase enzyme is there. That helicase enzyme will do what? Break the hydrogen bonds present over here. Now next one, that this helicase enzyme that shows movement in a which direction? 5 prime to 3 prime, right? So 5 prime to 3 prime. So this one move in a this direction or up one, A or B? Which one? Which one? 5 prime to 3 prime. You decide from newly synthesized chain with reference to that or the parental? Newly synthesized, right? So over here हेलिकेज ये डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, राइट? 5 प्राइम यहाँ पे होगा ये, यस और नो, ये स्ट्रैंड का, तो यहाँ से कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्म होगा न्यू डीएनए और द डिसकंटिन्यूअस कंटिन्यूअस. दिस विल बी बिकम व्हाट? 3 प्राइम. राइट नाउ जैसे जैसे एक्सटेंड होगा 3 प्राइम विल बी एक्सटेंड, राइट? नाउ ऑन इन अदर strand that first suppose this much DNA gets open up. So first to form this DNA, first which thing is formed over here? RNA polymerase enzyme will come, but form what? RNA primer. See, DNA polymerase 3 cannot be formed the DNA that cannot be extend the or shows the elongation for the newly synthesized strand of DNA. It needs the first help from the which one? RNA polymerase or primase. First the primer is formed, right? On which side? 5 prime or 3 prime? 5 prime. RNA polymerase का side क्या होगा? 5 prime. Over there it will bind and form a short nucleotide sequence that we call RNA primer. Which one? RNA primer. ये जो मैंने blue line किया ना, blue line you have to understand in this way that suppose this is here the DNA part, yes or no? So यहाँ पे DNA में एडेनिन है, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? यूरासिल. कोई रैंडम नहीं है, राइट? यहाँ पे थाइमिन है, तो हियर विच वन? एडेनिन. यहाँ पे ग्वानिन है, तो हियर साइटोसिन. नेक्स्ट वन साइटोसिन है तो ग्वानिन. लाइक दैट हियर दिस ब्लू कलर दैट आरएनए प्राइमर इज फॉर्म. क्लियर? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है डीएनए के साथ, यस और नो? Now, so this RNA primer is formed on किया ना? Okay. So RNA primer is formed that is on the base of template DNA or newly synthesized. It works on the basis of what? Template DNA strand, isn't it? So one of the MCQs type that RNA polymerase or primase enzyme is dash. RNA polymerase or primase enzyme is a which type or is dash? So RNA polymerase, it's dependent on DNA, yes or no? RNA, so इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? DNA dependent RNA polymerase. Which RNA polymerase? DNA dependent RNA, because it gets the information from DNA. RNA primer बना रहा है, RNA polymerase enzyme है, but for to make this primer, right, it gets the information from parental DNA strand. Yes or no? Right? So remember this thing. RNA polymerase enzyme is of which type? DNA dependent. Remember which one? DNA dependent RNA polymerase. Understood this thing? RNA polymerase form what? Primer, right over here. But primer, this nucleotide will arrange over here on the basis of what? Template strand of DNA. DNA template strand as adenine. So over here which one? Uracil. Thymine है तो adenosine. So it depend on which one? DNA. DNA dependent RNA polymerase. Understood this? Sure. Now once the RNA polymerase form what? RNA primer. Short nucleotide sequence, right? 8 to 10 generally this the nucleotide sequences are there. And then which enzyme will come? DNA polymerase 3, right? DNA polymerase 3, now it shows their work. Do what? Extension of that DNA strand. Extend that replication process. In which direction? 5 prime to 3 prime. Understood this? So now 5 prime to 3 prime, it shows the extension over here. Extension again, यहाँ पे जो information present है on that template strand, इसका ही complementary होगा या random? Complementary. Over here adenine, so here guanine, अभी DNA बन रहा है, DNA polymerase enzyme है, so uracil नहीं. एडिनिन है तो विच वन? थाइमिन. जब आरएनए पॉलीमरेज एंजाइम होता है तो क्या करता है? एडिनिन के सामने क्या लाता है? यूरासिल. राइट. नाउ आरएनए है, सो आरएनए में एडिनिन मिक्स अ बॉन्ड विथ व्हाट? यूरासिल. डीएनए में थाइमिन. बेसिक्स क्लियर है? यस और नो? नाउ नेक्स्ट वन. सो एडिनिन के सामने यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? थाइमिन. ग्वानिन है तो ऑपोजिट, साइटोसिन है तो ग्वानिन. So here which enzyme work for this? DNA polymerase 3. So ये DNA polymerase 3 को आप ये फॉर्मेट में एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो. It's a which one? DNA dependent, RNA dependent? Right? So it's a DNA dependent DNA polymerase. Clear? DNA polymerase 3 के लिए हम लिखेंगे instead of R, here we write T. Understood? So it's a DNA dependent DNA polymerase. Clear? Once this process done, right, over here, single primer is required for this thing? Yes or no? Yes. Right? Single primer, and then extension starts. In which direction? 5 prime to हेलिकेस भी कौन सी डायरेक्शन में वर्क करता है? 5 prime to 3 prime. Right? Now think about that the other strand. First we have described this one. This is what? Newly synthesized RNA primer. Next one. Then which process? Extension. Right? Here. Next one. That which enzyme work over here? Here. Helicase. ये helicase है जो that's the which one? Hydrogen bonds break, open up the DNA helix and form what? Replication fork. Replication fork. Clear? Understood? Now next one. What about this one over here? So कल हमने एक, right, if you can recall that activity जो हमने एक मैंने यहाँ पे आपको दिखाई थी, right? So in that first over here short RNA primer is formed. Right? जैसे जैसे DNA helix open होगा, that type, that's the fragments are formed. Right? So first, this is the which enzyme first will come over here? RNA polymer. It forms what? RNA primer. RNA primer once formed. RNA primer form होगा in a which direction? देखो यहाँ पे 5 prime है, पेरेंटल स्ट्रैंड है या दैट्स अ न्यू डॉटर? तो ये क्या हो गया उसका? 5 prime end. Which one? 5 prime. Right? Now 5 prime to 3 prime in this direction. Next enzyme, which one will come? DNA polymerase 3. DNA polymerase 3 over here will come and further extend this. तो ये 3 prime होगा. तो यहाँ पे तो रेप्लिकेशन सिर्फ इतना ही हो रहा है. Right? Now further थोड़ा और DNA helix open होगा. Right? One more time. Which enzyme will come? RNA polymerase. Right? Again ये इसके लिए क्या बन जाएगा? 5 prime. Right? Next one. So RNA polymerase से क्या बना? RNA primer. Next, again which enzyme will come? DNA polymerase 3. Clear? Next one. और आगे हेलिक्स ओपन हो रहा है तो वापस से कौन सा एंजाइम आएगा? RNA polymerase. RNA polymer. Another name. Primase. That will form what? RNA primer. In which direction? तो again hypothetical यहाँ पे भी open है. Consider that in this way. तो ये हुआ उसका 5 prime. Next, again which enzyme will come? तो further extension हो रहा है. ये same यही direction में work करेगा. Can you make out this? Right? Now, once we separate out this, तो आप ये स्ट्रैंड देखो 5 प्राइम है, 5 प्राइम टू विच वन? 3 prime. Next daughter 5 prime to which one? 3 prime. हो रहा है prime same, right? By that way one daughter DNA will be formed. Same on other side. This is which one? 5 prime to 3 prime. Opposite 5 prime to 3 prime. Understood this? Yes or no? यहां तक पहले कोई डाउट? Now next is what over here? By this way, first that's the DNA strands get extended, right? But here blue color is which one? Our RNA primer. RNA primer, it's not the part of DNA, so it has to be replaced one. जहां पे भी uracil है, that should be converted to which one? Thymine. So now who will help in that? DNA polymerase 1. Which one? DNA polymerase 1. So DNA polymerase 1 will come over here and that remove this RNA primer and convert into the which one? DNA strand. DNA fragments बनाएगा. Initially it's look like a fragments, blue yellow ऐसा था, right? That fragments we call first of all Okazaki fragment. Scientist के name से उसका name दिया है. So that's the fragments name given is which one? Okazaki fragments. Earlier जो यहाँ पे हमने draw किया था ना, that's a RNA primer plus DNA part, RNA primer plus DNA. So these fragments we call which one? Okazaki fragments. Which one? Okazaki fragments. Understood this? Okazaki fragments. That Okazaki fragments you will get on both the strands or only one? Only one strand. Only one strand on which you will get what? Okazaki fragment. Now, on which strand you will get Okazaki fragment? Respect to parental strand. Respect to which one? Parental strand. पेरेंटल स्ट्रैंड का डायरेक्शन क्या है? यहां से पेरेंटल स्ट्रैंड का क्या है? 3 प्राइम टू 5 प्राइम. विच वन? 3 प्राइम टू 5 प्राइम. रिमेंबर 3 प्राइम टू 5 प्राइम. तभी ये रिवर्स यहां पे है. यस और नो? राइट. सी वन थिंग हियर, द वन थिंग इज मिस्टेकन. 5 प्राइम 3 प्राइम. यस डन. बोलिए. Clear? Okazaki fragments, that Okazaki fragments are formed on only one of the parental DNA strand, not both, right? जहां पे वो fragmented form में है, discontinuous DNA synthesis. This one we call which one? Discontinuous. This one is a which one? Continuous DNA synthesis. Understood this thing, right? जहां पे continuous है, that strand we call which one? Leading strand. जहां पे फ्रेगमेंट्स मिलता है. यू नो फ्रेगमेंट्स लैगिंग होना. यस और नो? लैगिंग का मीनिंग क्या होता है? हाँ, स्लो होना. ये जनरली वॉइस को लेकर कोरोना के टाइम पे ऑनलाइन सेशंस चल रहे थे, ऑल दैट, है ना? जब पढ़ा रहे तो वॉइस लैगिंग ऐसा, अगर आपको याद है, राइट? सो इन दैट द विच वन? दिस इज द विच वन? लैगिंग स्ट्रैंड. This is the which one? Lagging. So one is the leading कि जहाँ पे continuous DNA synthesis मिलेगा of newly synthesized chain, and other strand that we call the which one? Lagging. Lagging में क्या होगा? Newly DNA synthesized strand in a which form? Fragmented. Later on, once the fragments are formed, which enzyme will come? Ligase. DNA ligase, right? So once the fragment formation start, which enzyme come over here? That's a DNA ligase. And DNA ligase आके क्या करेगा? It's like, it gives what? Like a glue, है ना? Glue here which one? Glue here which one? With, see, here the nucleotides are there. So it needs what? Which bond? It needs which bond? Ester bond. You know phosphoester bond, right? So DNA ligase as and when come over here, it forms which bond? Ester bond between two successive nucleotides. Clear? First DNA polymerase 3 आया था या 1 लास्ट में? अभी 1 ने तो DNA nucleotides बना दिए ना, राइट? मान लो यहाँ पे एडेनिन है, यहाँ पे थाइमिन. नाउ बिटवीन देम सिंगल स्ट्रैंड की बात कर रही हूँ, राइट? ऑन सेम स्ट्रैंड अगर यहाँ पे एडेनिन है, यहाँ पे थाइमिन, देन विच बॉन्ड? एस्टर बॉन्ड. बट अगर हम ऑपोजिट स्ट्रैंड की बात करें, यहाँ पे एडेनिन, यहाँ पे थाइमिन, देन विच वन? Understand this. Clear? So now here on the same strand this thing should be done. That's why the which bond? Ester bond. Clear? So as and when DNA ligase come over here, it forms what? Phosphoester bond joins this thing, and by that way this polynucleotide DNA structure will be formed. Clear? This replication occurs during the which phase of the cell cycle and cell division? S phase. Isn't it? Which one? S phase. Now, during the S phase, replication occur, or we call duplication. DNA concentrations become double. याद है? पहले initial 2 strands थे, अभी कितने हो गए? 4 strands in a single cell. फिर वो प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज, टेलोफेज, यस और नो, राइट? उसके बाद क्या हो जाएगा? वो डिवाइड. अंडरस्टूड दिस? डीएनए दैट एग्जिस्ट इन अ विच फॉर्म? क्रोमोसोम्स. तो हम क्रोमोसोम को सेपरेट कर रहे हैं. ड्यूरिंग द सेल डिवीजन हमने डीएनए नहीं बनाया था, हमने क्या बनाया था? क्रोमोसोम्स. यस और नो? पूरे टॉपिक में क्या लिखा है? क्रोमोसोम्स के साथ स्पिंडल फाइबर अटैच, क्रोमेटिड्स गेट सेपरेटेड. डीएनए सेपरेटेड नहीं लिखा है, क्या लिखा है? क्रोमेटिड्स, बिकॉज डीएनए एग्जिस्ट इन अ विच फॉर्म? Chromosomes. Understood this thing? Yes or no? Right? Now, here one important point, that DNA polymerase 3 or 1, which one helps to extend the line? That's a DNA polymerase 3, right? DNA polymerase 3 that bring what over here? Nucleotides. Which one? Nucleotides, right? Nucleotides in that. Suppose, can you give me any one nucleotide name for DNA? Thymidine बोलोगे? Thymidylic acid, isn't it? Which one? Thymidine. When you say, then it's a what? Nucleoside. Which one? Thymine itself is a nitrogen base. Nitrogen base plus sugar we call? Means thymine plus sugar? न्यूक्लियोसाइड. एंड उसमें फॉस्फेट ऐड करोगे तब बनेगा न्यूक्लियोटाइड. याद है? हाँ. नाउ एडिनिन के रेफरेंस में बताओ. डीऑक्सी एडिनाइलिक एसिड, isn't it? Adenylate acid, when you say, then it's a RNA. Deoxy adenylate acid, in that the which that is for the which one? DNA, right? Guanine के लिए बताओ. Deoxy guanilic acid. Now here that deoxy adenosine ट्राइफॉस्फेट, क्या लिखा मैंने? डीऑक्सी एडिनोसाइन ट्राइफॉस्फेट. तो ये न्यूक्लियोटाइड हुआ कि नहीं? बोलिए. डीऑक्सी एडिनोसाइन ट्राइफॉस्फेट. अगर मैं डीऑक्सी एडिनाइलिक एसिड लिखूं या फिर अदर फॉर्म मैंने ये लिखा है डीऑक्सी एडिनोसाइन ट्राइफॉस्फेट, सो इट्स रिप्रेजेंट न्यूक्लियोटाइड, यस और नो? Yes, because deoxyadenosine is what? Plus phosphate. Here how many phosphate? 3 phosphate, right? Suppose here the sugar, which sugar in DNA? Deoxyribose. On which carbon? That's nitrogen base is linked? Correct. First carbon, nitrogen base is linked over here. On which carbon? That phosphate? 5th carbon over here, the phosphate. So here how many phosphate linked with each other? 3 phosphate, right? Which one? 3 phosphate molecules, right? So in nucleoplasm, this thing is available. Deoxyadenosine triphosphate, deoxyguanosine triphosphate, deoxythymidinic acid. Thymidinic acid itself is a nucleotide, but ये फॉर्मेट में रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो और थाइमिडीन ट्राइफॉस्फेट, साइटिडीन ट्राइफॉस्फेट. बोलिए. क्लियर? नाउ इन दिस वन ट्राइफॉस्फेट जो है दैट इज द मेन वन, राइट? understand that as and when DNA polymerase, which one that bring over here nucleotides? इसको कौन लेके यहाँ पे आएगा? DNA polymerase 3, right? Now, जब bonds बन रहे हैं, right? As and when this nucleotide will come over here, it will make the bonds with adjacent nucleotide. To form bond, it needs energy also. To form bond, it needs what? Energy. तो वो energy कहाँ से आएगा यहाँ पे? So for that, ये जो deoxyadenosine triphosphate या फिर another guanine के reference cytosine, anything, right? So that in a triphosphate will come over here and then दो phosphate bonds उसके क्या हो जाते हैं? Break. That phosphate bonds break, energy liberate. फॉस्फेट बॉन्ड्स क्या हो जाएंगे? ब्रेक. तो ये ट्राइफॉस्फेट से कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर बन जाएगा? मोनोफॉस्फेट. समझ में आ रहा है? ट्राइफॉस्फेट से क्या बन जाएगा? मोनोफॉस्फेट. टू फॉस्फेट्स अगेन become free, remain in that nucleoplasm, and now over here which one join? Deoxyadenosine monophosphate. Which one? Deoxyadenosine monophosphate. देखो, deoxyadenosine triphosphate when we see, तो इसके दो रोल हुए. First role is a which one? This one acts as a dual purpose. First is a which one over here? To give energy by donating their phosphate. Gives once two, that's a ester bonds are present between phosphate. So as and when these bonds get break, energy liberate. That energy utilize to join this adjacent nucleotide and make ester bond. राइट. सो एज एंड व्हेन ये ट्राई में से जब दो फॉस्फेट तो चले गए, कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर बन जाएगा? ये डीऑक्सीएडिनोसाइन. दिस एक्ट्स एज अ सबस्ट्रेट. क्या बन रहा है? दिस एक्ट्स एज अ सबस्ट्रेट, राइट. यहाँ पे कौन सा एंजाइम है? डीएनए पॉलीमरेज. तो डीएनए पॉलीमरेज के साथ ये डीऑक्सीएडिनोसाइन मोनो, पहले ट्राइफॉस्फेट के फॉर्म में था, अभी कौन से फॉर्मेट में आ गया? मोनोफॉस्फेट. एंड लिंक्ड ओवर हियर. तो डीएनए में जितने भी न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स है, दे आर इन अ विच फॉर्म? मोनोफॉस्फेट और ट्राइफॉस्फेट? मोनो. बट एज एंड व्हेन दे आर प्रेजेंट इन न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म, अवेलेबिलिटी इन अ विच फॉर्म? ट्राइफॉस्फेट. क्लियर? तो why they are convert triphosphate to monophosphate first? So provide energy. And second, in triphosphate they cannot. हमने डीएनए का जब स्ट्रक्चर बनाया था, हमने कितने फॉस्फेट ड्रॉ किए थे? 1, राइट. मोनोफॉस्फेट फॉर्म दैट सर्व एज अ सबस्ट्रेट, राइट. Monophosphate form is a which one? Serve as a what? Substrate that can join easily with the which one? Phosphodiester bond. It's a part of DNA. Understood this? Yes or no? बोलिए.